Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. Another week, another new song, and this week we're going to sign God So Loved by We the Kingdom. I just love this song. I love the cool drum that's throughout the whole song, and it just makes my heart sing, so I wanted to sign it with you. As far as songs go in terms of difficulty, it is probably right up there with Raise a Hallelujah. It's one of the more difficult songs that we've done. So if you find it tricky, please don't give up on signing. Just go and learn a couple other songs first and come back to this one. Okay? Housekeeping, remember, I am left-handed. If you are right-handed, that means you're going to mirror my signs at home. If you look below this video in the description, you're going to find lots of helpful links like printing off the lyrics. And last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. Oh, I got a tickle. Okay. Excuse me. Anyone else feel embarrassed now when they cough? This is a new COVID thing. I know coughing is normal, but I still feel embarrassed. Okay, so this one starts, come all you weary, come all you thirsty. So come, you take your index finger of your dominant hand and it's out. And it's just, you start here and it comes in, okay? Come, all. So you take your thumbs together, your dominant hand is facing out, your non-dominant hand is facing in, and you kind of go around, okay? All. So come, all, weary. So for weary, it's weak. So you're gonna have your non-dominant hand here. Your dominant hand is gonna show standing, and then you go to your knees, okay? Weak. So come all weary, and then come all thirsty. Come all, and then thirsty, you take your index finger and you just go down there, okay? So that's the first two lines. Come all weary, come all thirsty, come to the well that never runs dry. Come to the well, so for well it's water that's deep, okay? Non-dominant hand is just kind of a reference point. Your dominant hand is showing deep, okay? Deep. So well. So come to the well, water that's deep, that never runs dry. Never, it's like you do the top of a question mark. Some people, it's just the top of a question mark. Other people have their non-dominant hand out as a reference. Either way, okay? Never, and then runs dry. You kind of make that hook finger, and then pull it across your face, okay? Never runs dry. Drink of the water. Drink is a nice easy one, as you might imagine. Drink. Drink of the water. W at your chin. And then come and thirst no more. Come and thirst, and then no more, we're gonna do gone. So you have something, and then it's gone. Gone, okay? No more. Okay, we're halfway through. This is tricky, verse 1, okay? Come all you sinners, come all sinners. So for this, you have your hands like this with your index fingers kind of bent like that, and you run them in, and then it's a person, okay? Sinners. Sinners. Come find his mercy. Come. Everyone's gonna know come really well by the end of this. Come find. So we're making an F, and it's like you're picking it up off the ground that you found something, okay? Find his, pointing to God in heaven, and then mercy. So mercy is a directional sign because God is showing us mercy. We're doing it this way, okay? So you have your fingers kind of separated with your middle finger forward. Mercy. If we're showing mercy, we would do it this way, but this is God showing us mercy, okay? Mercy. Come to the table. Come, and then table is like this, table. He will satisfy. So for this, we're gonna say he is enough. He is enough, okay? So you make a cup. I know it's a lot, don't worry. We will practice this a couple times, okay? He is enough. He is enough. Taste of his goodness. So for taste, we're doing kind of our mercy hand with our middle finger and just touch it to your chin, okay? Taste. Taste of his, pointing to God in heaven, and goodness. We've learned that before, okay? Some people bring that into their hand, some people don't. It's just like this, okay? Whatever you like. of his goodness. Find what you're looking for. So we learned find already, right? Find what. You don't have to sign what if you find it too busy. And then looking for, we're gonna do searching. Okay, you make C's and you kind of go across your face. Find what you're searching for. And that's verse 1. I know there's a lot of vocabulary, but if you practice, you will get there, okay? Let's start from the top and we'll run through it a couple times. Come all you weary, come all you thirsty, okay, thirsty, come to the well that never runs dry. Drink of the water, come and thirst no more. Come all you sinners, come find his mercy, come to the table, he will satisfy. Taste of his goodness, find what you're looking for. Okay, let's try it one more time. And remember, if you find it tricky, you can watch this video as many times as you need to. There's no prize for getting it on the first time. Okay, stick with it. Okay, come all you weary, come all you thirsty, come to the well that never runs dry. Drink of the water, come and thirst no more. Come all you sinners, come find his mercy, come to the table, he will satisfy. Taste of his goodness, find what you're looking for. Okay? And that is verse 1. And I believe that that is the longest video with the most vocab we're gonna do. Okay? So if you got through that, way to go. I'm proud of you and I can't wait to see you at the next video. Hope you're having a good day. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.